What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mike G's Garage. Today we're gonna unbox some packages. Let's see what we got. Start out with this one. All right. Let's open this one real quick. This is the oil drain bung for the oil pan. It's a steel one. Now for this one. What do we got here? I got this from Max Speeding Rods. I think it's T70 with a 2.5 inch V-band. So now I just need to get a turbo manifold. I have a blow-off valve, and then this part of the piping, I need to get the rest of the piping. But yeah, we're going turbo, boys. There won't be a Mike G's Garage video without a young crispy. Cheers. So that's going to be it for that video, guys. A little quick update on what's going on with the car, the plans I got for it. So hopefully on the next video, we'll get a manifold, we'll get that turbo put on, and get another step closer to ripping this thing. Make sure you like the video and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.